Hi friends, I just received this new M-Rollic car camera. It has a lot of accessories in it, a lot of cameras for the front of your car, the rear of your car. It has a parking mode. It comes with a full use manual. Okay, this is what we're going to find in the package. Let me tell you. Okay, this is a mounting accessory. Okay, for the front camera. This is the rear camera. You have to wire it throughout your car to get it in front. These are mounting accessories. You see these small screws and these 3M sticky pads. This is another cable to wire your camera. Okay, USB-C cable. Okay, this is the front camera. Okay, and your display. Here you will see both of your cameras, front and rear. Okay, this is the main unit. Okay, more mounting accessories. The actual energy source for your car lighter, and another charging cable. Okay, you also get a micro SD card, 64 gigabytes. It goes in the main unit, and you have this reader, really convenient USB micro SD reader. So when you want to transfer your files from your car camera to your computer, you just put your card here. Okay, so I think it's really convenient, really useful. And you get all these wire helpers. You will have to wire the back camera, so you want to have different options to put the cable so you don't see it and it won't be messing around with your car, with the people in your car. Okay, so you get all these holding clips, and we're going to install it. You also get this hook to help you get cable inside some of the car parts. So we're going to install it and try everything and let you know how it goes. Thank you.
Okay, so the installation is very easy. You just pass the cables through the inside of your car. I pass it all the way through here. As you can see, you can open it. So once you pass the cable through here, you can see here right now is a cable. I'll pass it all the way through the door, and through here I pass it, and here you can see how the cable goes out. Here I've got the lighter port where I get the energy for the camera. As you can see, the cable exits through here and I send it back that way. That's the back camera. Right there is a cable. I pass it through and I get this like protective film out of the car and get the cable of the backside camera out of here. And here is the back camera. You just get a hole right here so the cable can pass through. It's ready to use. You're already connected, and you plug it in right here. This one is the backside camera. Okay friends, so here we are at the car. As you can see, the camera has an excellent quality and it's perfect for your car. I installed it right here next to the mirror so I can look it easily and fast. It's awesome that it has a GPS system. It's this one, so you can recover your location at any time and anywhere. It shows you the date, the time, and how much time has been recording. So it's perfect for your car. I will recommend it a lot.